Hello student, today we are going to continue chapter 4th reproductive health. Student, in my previous video we have discussed about infertility. Infertility is a biological inability of a person to conceive in spite of a regular unprotected coitus. Student, infertility are of two types, primary infertility and secondary infertility. What happen in a primary infertility? It refer to those couple who have never had children. That means a couple have never produced a pregnancy. And secondary infertility, it refer to a situation when a couple had children or achieved pregnancy previously but are unable to conceive the next time. Okay, women have previously been pregnant regardless of the outcome and now it unable to conceive. So student, there are some technique which provide for a many infertile couple, which provide hope for many infertile couple. And these technique we call assisted reproductive technology, ARTS. Student, what is assisted reproductive technology? It is a method used to achieve pregnancy by artificial means or partially artificial means. Okay, and it produce hope for many infertile couple. Okay, student, different type of assisted reproductive technology are in vitro fertilization, which we also call test tube baby programs. Okay, in which fertilizations take place outside of the female body and embryo transfer or embryo is placed inside the uterus. Zygote intrafallopian transfer, gamete intrafallopian transfer, intracytoplasmic sperm injections and artificial inseminations. We read all of these one by one. So firstly, the first assisted reproductive technology is in vitro fertilizations, IVF, which we also call test tube baby program. स्टूडेंट, इस टेक्निक में फर्टिलाइजेशंस की जो प्रोसेस है वो फीमेल बॉडी के बाहर होती है और एम्ब्रियो फॉर्म्ड होता है इन अ कल्चर मीडियम्स एंड ये एम्ब्रियो फिर ट्रांसप्लांट कर दिया जाता है फीमेल यूट्रस में. Here you see in this picture that sperm, okay, and egg. Sperm is collected from the semen of male and egg is collected from ovaries. Okay, and then the fertilization is occur outside of the female body. Then here you see it formed embryo. Okay, embryo development. Now embryo is placed inside the uterus. Okay, so what happened in vitro fertilizations? It meaning fertilization outside of the body. In vitro fertilization is the most effective and the most common form of assisted reproductive technology. Okay, student, in vitro fertilization or in this method, ovum from the wife or a female donor and the sperm from the husband of the male donor, okay, collected and induced to form a zygote under suitable condition. Okay, and it terms as a test tube baby program. Now the next one is zygote intrafallopian transfer. It's very clear that zygote intrafallopian transfer, that means zygote को ट्रांसफर किया जा रहा है फैलोपियन ट्यूब में. सो इस प्रोसेस में भी फर्टिलाइजेशन बॉडी के फीमेल बॉडी के बाहर हो रहा है. ओके, एंड जाइगोट जब फॉर्म्ड हो रहा है आफ्टर फर्टिलाइजेशन, जाइगोट जब बन रहा है तो उसे फीमेल बॉडी के अंदर इंजेक्ट किया जा रहा है. और कहाँ पे? इंट्राफैलोपियन ट्रांसफर, दैट मीन्स इन फैलोपियन ट्यूब. यू कैन अंडरस्टैंड बाय दिस पिक्चर्स. एक्चुअली इन zygote intrafallopian transfer, what happened? When the 8-cell blastomere stage or embryo obtained by in vitro fertilization, it shift into the fallopian tube. Listen, here fertilization is occur in vitro, that means outside of the female body, and then embryo and zygote is transferred in fallopian tube. Okay, fallopian ट्यूब्स में zygote को ट्रांसफर कर दिया जा रहा है. Okay, and when the zygote with more than 8 cell blastomere stage is placed directly in a living of the uterus to complete it further development, और फिर zygote डिवाइड होके यूट्रस में इम्प्लांट हो जाता है. ओके, दिस इज जाइगोट इंट्राफेलोपियंस ट्रांसफर. नाउ द नेक्स्ट वन, गैमेट इंट्राफेलोपियंस ट्रांसफर. स्टूडेंट, gametes in this process, gamete is transfer in a fallopian tube. गैमेट इंट्राफेलोपियंस ट्रांसफर, दैट मीन्स गैमेट को शिफ्ट किया जा रहा है, ट्रांसफर किया जा रहा है फैलोपियंस ट्यूब में. आपको पता है मेल एंड फीमेल गैमेट्स, स्पर्म एंड एग. ओके, what happened in this process? Here you see gift, gamete intrafallopian transfer. Okay, here you see sperm and egg are placed into the fallopian tube, and sperm and egg are gametes, so they are placed in a fallopian tube. When we read the human reproduction, we read that fertilization is take place in a ampulla region of fallopian tube. So fertilizations occur inside the female reproductive tract in fallopian tube. Okay, so in gift involve transferring egg and sperm into the female fallopian tube, and fertilization occur in the female body. Okay, now the next one is intracytoplasmic sperm injection. Student, in this process what happened? When a single sperm is carefully injected into a egg using a microneedle, with the help of the microneedle की हेल्प से सिंगल स्पर्म को फैलोपियन ट्यूब में इंजेक्ट कर दिया जाता है, सो दैट फर्टिलाइजेशन टेक प्लेस. ओके, इंट्रासाइटोप्लाज्मिक स्पर्म इंजेक्शन. ओके, इट ऑफन यूज्ड फॉर अ कपल with male factor infertility. Sometime it is also used for the older couple or for those with failed in vitro fertilization attempt. So student, in cytoplasmic sperm injection, a single sperm is injected into a mature egg as opposed to conventional fertilizations where the egg and the sperm are placed in a petri dishes together and the sperm fertile an egg on its own. Okay, so always remember that in process when a single sperm is carefully injected into egg. Okay, now the last one is artificial insemination. Student, in artificial insemination technique, semen is collected either from the husband or a healthy donor and then artificially induced into the vagina of or the uterus of the female. Student, in this technique, why we use this technique? Because sometime what happened, the male partner are unable to inseminate the female due to very low sperm count in ejaculation. So in this process, the semen is collected from a male donor and manually depositing them into the reproductive tract of female, either in a vagina or into the uterus. This is all for today, student.